Yeah, there's a reason. I just woke up. I'm about to go work out. Okay? So I want to get a little muscle on, guys. I want to get just a little bit of muscle on. So what I'm working on is a protein shake that I make in the morning. Now this is directed towards you guys out there who are like me, who are a little on the portly side and want to get a little bit thinner as well. So what I'm working on, you got one banana, some Greek yogurt, almond milk. Now this is a bag of fruit. I got like a tropical blend, but you could do just strawberries. You could do raspberries. You could do blueberries. It's whatever you want. And then some extra things I'm adding to this shake. Some apple cider, detox organic with mother. Oh, fuck you thing. Camera. Oh. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Bring her back into focus. And then some protein powder. Vanilla. I've got just the general Hy-Vee brand. Kind of throws off the setup a little bit, but I dig it. It's good. Okay. So, to start, let's see if we can get a good view of the blender and all that. Those are my dishes. Okay. Yeah, that looks pretty good. You can see me here. All right, some of the other things you want to grab. So you want a half cup, a full cup, and third cup measurements, okay? So those are going to help you out. Now what I like to do is I like to drop all of the soft shit in first. So starting with Greek yogurt, you want about a third cup of Greek yogurt. Now the great thing about the Greek yogurt, that adds a lot of your protein. It's good stuff. So you're just going to drop that in there. You know, you can use like a spatula or whatever, especially if you're making this with friends. I do vanilla. Plain's not going to change the flavor too much. I just love the taste of vanilla. The only downside is you want plain for like other cooking. Vanilla. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to set that aside. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. And that's when you're done with the third cup. You want a half cup of this almond milk. Just boom, drop it right in there. Okay, you're done with that. You don't need that. I'm going to toss that in there. Now, the necessary ingredients, if you're just looking for a good smoothie, the fruit, the almond milk, the banana, and the Greek yogurt makes a great smoothie. This extra stuff that I'm adding is for my pre-workout. So, throw a little protein powder in here. I just do a scoop. Depending on how much you're looking for, you might want 2. The Greek yogurt, I believe, puts about 7 grams of protein in, and then you want, probably want a couple more scoops, I don't know. Okay, and then this stuff. Now, some of you guys are like, ew, he's adding vinegar, but here's the thing, this stuff, it's got honey, cinnamon, and lemon in it, so you can't really taste the difference, honestly. It's really good. I thought, oh, I'll be able to taste that. No, I can't. You can't taste it. So, don't worry about that. Put that in the fridge. Remember to put all your shit away. Okay, so we've got kind of our soft ingredient shit. Now, here's the thing, okay? I've got a regular blender. Next week, I'm going to be buying, though, a bullet blender. Bullet blenders, so like at the grocery store for me, they're like $15 now. So I'm totally getting one because they're a glass sized and they blend like in seconds. Like it's no problem. This I have to do kind of a step by step, which is a pain in the ass. I have to clean up the sides. I have to wash that whole fucking thing. It's awful, guys. It's awful. Get yourself a bullet blender. Okay, so I set mine to high. You only need really a few seconds for this step. Okay. So that's done. We're going to throw in our next soft thing, our banana. Yeah, this string just got sexy. So you're just going to take the little bits and pieces and drop them right in. I break it up. I feel like that helps sort of the process a little bit. Again, I'm going to blend it. High smoothie. Doesn't take long, but it does not in this part anyways. Oh! I left a measuring cup in there. That's awesome. I wondered where that one went. We have a janky one. So this for me has mango, strawberries, and pineapple. You can literally choose whatever you want. Like, it's not a big deal. Like, any kind of frozen fruit. They actually sell frozen fruit mixes. So this is a mix. But you can buy almost anything. You just need a cup of this stuff. Okay? Just drop it right in. You know, make sure you get all the goodies. This is where it takes a little bit longer. So, oh, that's, yeah, okay. High. Oh, shit. So I don't know if you can see, but it kind of makes a bit of a whirlpool when it's done. Now it's important that the bag of fruit that you get is frozen. That is the smoothie portion. That's what makes your smoothie cold. So this that I make usually ends up being pretty big. So I get a nice big tropical glass. Okay, and that should be nice and done. Sometimes you got to scrape the sides down. Doesn't seem that way this time. Oh my God! See, yeah, this is whenever you blend it, what's going on here? This thing's nice and full. Okay, but I still have a bunch of junk in there. So it takes 2 glasses sometimes. Sometimes you really want a big ass cup. But yeah, so it's pretty simple, guys. I would say this one gives you 14 to 21 grams of protein. I want to say 21. Maybe 2 scoops is 21. But I'm shooting for more protein. I'm about to do a chest and back workout and core. So this is something, the banana helps you recover. The Greek yogurt and the powder gives you the protein you need. The fruit, you just need fruit in your day. You need a lot of fruit and vegetables. So the fruit helps out. And then you also want the apple cider vinegar in there because that kind of helps your body out. Like there's videos out there. Watch them on what apple cider vinegar does to your body. It's good stuff. I've noticed a lot of weight loss when I do it daily. You're supposed to do it like 3 times a day. I do it once or twice. It also makes a really good dressing for a salad, which I'll do later. Stuff like that. And then later on, I'll do a peanut butter smoothie for you guys. This is a fruit smoothie. I'll show you a chocolate chip peanut butter banana smoothie that's really, really good. So I'll check you guys out later. Have a nice day. Bye!